Now we will see some regional events. First we will see Telangana events, later we will go to Andhra Pradesh. As far as Telangana state is concerned, a new DGP is appointed. Hyderabad City Police Commissioner M. Mahendra Reddy has taken charge as the new Director General of Police of Telangana state on November 12th, 2017. He succeeded Anurag Sharma. So, Anurag Sharma, who is the first Director General of Police of Telangana state when it was created in 2014, and Anurag Sharma has been appointed as the advisor to the Home Department by the Telangana state government. Continuing with the police, there is one coffee table book written by a very famous woman author called Nupur Kumar, and Nupur Kumar is the author of this coffee table book called Journey of the Hyderabad City Police, and this book was launched by Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. So, who is the author of this book called Journey of the Hyderabad City Police? Then the answer is a woman author called Nupur Kumar, and this book contains oil paintings explaining the journey made by the Hyderabad police from patrolling on cycles to having CCTVs. So, this is a very fascinating journey of Hyderabad City Police. Once they were patrolling on bicycles, now with a lot of technology, now they are patrolling through these CCTV cameras. So, everything is explained in this coffee table book written by Nupur Kumar, and the book title is Journey of the Hyderabad City Police. Next, we will move to one doctor. His name is Dr. Nori Dattatreyu. Dr. Nori Dattatreyu is a world renowned oncologist. Who is an oncologist? Oncology is the study of cancer, and an oncologist is a cancer specialist. And we are talking about a great Telugu man, a renowned, world renowned oncologist. His name is Dr. Nori Dattatreyu. He is the chief scientific advisor to the Basava Tarakam Indo-American Cancer Hospital and Research Institute in Hyderabad. He is in the news because he was honored as a living legend in cancer treatment at the Indian Cancer Congress held in Bangalore in November 2017. So, remember all these points. Who is Nori Dattatreyu? A renowned oncologist or cancer specialist, or who was honored as living legend in cancer treatment? It is Dr. Nori Dattatreyu, and he was honored at the Indian Cancer Congress that was held in Bangalore. Then another news is very important news is the Telangana state government has inked or has signed a deal, has signed an agreement with Patanjali Group, so that this Patanjali Group can start one food processing unit in Telangana state, and this food processing unit will come up at a village called Lakkampalli in Nandipet Mandal of Nizamabad district. And to sign this deal, the Nizamabad MP K. Kavita, who is a TRS member of parliament, visited the headquarters of Patanjali Group, which is in Haridwar, and the Telangana government and the Patanjali Group has signed a deal. And remember one more thing, that this Patanjali Group was started by Baba Ramdev, and its group's CEO is Acharya Balakrishna. Why did they pick up Nizamabad? I will tell you the reason. Nizamabad is very famous for turmeric. In fact, Telangana is a large producer of turmeric, chilies, soya bean and maize. That is why this food processing park or unit will come up in Lakkampalli village of Nandipet Mandal in Nizamabad district with the collaboration of this Patanjali group. Then another very significant news for Telangana is Telangana state has got 2 awards at the India Today State of the State Awards 2017, and these awards were presented by the Union Road Transport, Highways and Shipping Minister Nitin Gadkari. So, what are these 2 awards? What are these 2 categories of awards? One is Best Performing Large State in Economy category. This is very important. Best Performing Large State in Economy category, and this is won by the Telangana state, and the prize or the award was received by Telangana Municipal Administration, Urban Development, Industries and Information and Technology Minister K. Taraka Rama Rao. So, this is one award given to Telangana state government, and another award is in the category of cleanliness and environment. So, one is economy, the other is cleanliness and environment category, and this award was received by Telangana Forest and Environment Minister Jogu Ramanna. So, these 2 ministers went to New Delhi and they have collected the awards from the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari, and these awards are India Today State of the States Awards 2017. Continuing with this government of Telangana, Urdu has been declared as the 2nd official language of Telangana state. The Telangana State Assembly passed a bill making Urdu as the 2nd official language of the state. Once it becomes a law, what will happen? All the state government's correspondence and orders will have to be issued in 2 languages, that is Telugu and Urdu language. So, that is why it is very important, Urdu becoming the 2nd official language of Telangana state. Then finally, we will close this Telangana with one cycling park which was inaugurated recently by the Industries and Information Technology Minister K. Taraka Rama Rao, which is called as Palapitta Cycling Park. So, IT Minister K. Taraka Rama Rao inaugurated the Palapitta Cycling Park, which is an exclusive cycling zone spread over 46 acres in Kondapur area of Hyderabad. Remember, Palapitta is the state bird of Telangana. Next, we will move to some very important events that happened in the state of Andhra Pradesh. NMD Farooq is former minister. He has been appointed as the new chairman of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council. So, who is the new chairman of the Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council? It is NMD Farooq, who hails from Nanjal in Kurnool district, and he has replaced A. Chakrapani. Then similarly, the Andhra Pradesh state government has appointed chief whips for both Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly and Andhra Pradesh Legislative Council. For Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly, the chief whip is Palle Raghunath Reddy, is a former minister, and for AP Legislative Council, the chief whip is Payyavula Keshav, a very senior TDP leader. And incidentally or coincidentally, both Palle Raghunath Reddy and Payyavula Keshav, they belong to Anantapur district. Then there is one award called IEBF Excellence Award. This award is Indo-European Business Forum's Excellence Award, and this award was given to famous Telugu actor and Janasena party founder Pavan Kalyan. So, Pavan Kalyan has received this IEBF Excellence Award, in November 2017 at the House of Lords in London, United Kingdom. And why was Pawan Kalyan given this award? The reason is for his efforts to fight against kidney disease in Uddanam region in Srikakulam. Pawan Kalyan is given this very prestigious IEBF Indo-European Business Forum's Excellence Award. Then two summits happened in Andhra Pradesh state. One is Social Media Summit. This Social Media Summit was organized by the AP state government in Vijayawada on November 18th and 19th. And in this Social Media Summit, some social media awards were also presented. So, you remember two awards which I will tell you now. One is the most popular Indian actress on social media award. I will repeat, the most popular Indian actress on social media award was given to Deepika Padukone. And one more award, most active South Indian on social media award, was given to Rana Daggubati. And both these awards to Deepika Padukone and Rana Daggubati were presented by the AP Tourism Minister at this Social Media Summit, and the AP Tourism Minister's name is Bhuma Akhila Priya. Next we will go to another very huge, very big summit which is called as AP Agri-Tech Summit 2017. So, Andhra Pradesh state has organized for the first time this Agricultural Technology Summit, which is termed as Agri-Tech Summit in Visakhapatnam, and it was organized by the AP government in association with CII, Confederation of Indian Industry, and also Bill Gates and Melinda Gates Foundation. And this 3-day Agricultural Technology Summit was inaugurated by the Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu. And speaking on this occasion, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh State, Chandrababu Naidu, said that the state government is implementing innovative farming practices, and AP will be developed as a center of seed production in the entire Southeast Asia. And this event was attended by the AP Agriculture Minister S. Chandramohan Reddy and also the National President of CII, Confederation of Indian Industry, Shobhana Kamineni. And for the valedictory function of this AP Agri-Tech Summit, billionaire, world's richest person, Microsoft co-founder and philanthropist Bill Gates came to Visakhapatnam. And Bill Gates has stressed on the promotion of technology in agriculture. Bill Gates said that 50% of the population of India even today depends on agriculture. That is why Bill Gates and Melinda Gates Foundation will invest more and more in Indian agriculture. And he said that farmers should adopt new technology, new innovation practices, so that they can become prosperous. Then continuing with Visakhapatnam, Hot Air Balloon Festival was organized in the Araku Valley near Visakhapatnam in AP state, and it is the first edition of the Hot Air Balloon Festival. Why was it organized? This Hot Air Balloon Festival was organized to promote tourism in this area. Araku Valley is known, which is a very famous hill station, is known for its coffee plantations, rich cultural heritage, and also very beautiful, stunning waterfalls. So, remember, where was the first Hot Air Balloon Festival organized or happened? In November 2017, it is the Araku Valley, which is near Visakhapatnam. Then we will close these regional events with some film awards which were announced by the Andhra Pradesh state government, and these awards are not only Nandi awards but also prestigious awards like NTR National Award, B.N. Reddy Award, Nagireddy Chakrapani Award and Raghupati Venkayya Award. I will tell you some of these important awards. They were announced recently, but what is special is that the 3 years awards are announced simultaneously, that is 2014, 2015, 2016, 3 years Nandi awards are announced. So, I will tell you these awards, very important awards for your exam. First we will go to this 2014. In 2014 the NTR National Award was announced to Kamal Haasan, then B.N. Reddy Award to S.S. Rajamouli, film director, then Nagireddy Chakrapani Award to film actor and director R. Narayana Murthy, and Raghupati Venkayya Award to Krishnam Raju. Then coming to Nandi Awards, for the year 2014, I am continuing with 2014, best film is Legend, best actor is Balakrishna for the movie Legend, best actress is Anjali for the movie Geetanjali, and best director is Boyapati Srinu for the movie Legend. Then we will go to 2015 awards, film awards. For the year 2015, NTR National Award will be given to film director K. Raghavendra Rao. Then B.N. Reddy Award to Trivikram Srinivas. Nagireddy Chakrapani Award to music director M.M. Kiravani. Then Raghupati Venkayya Award to Ishwar, a very famous publicity designer. Then with Nandi Awards, for the year 2015, best film is Bahubali, The Beginning. Best actor is Mahesh Babu, Srimantudu. Then best actress is Anushka for the movie Size Zero, and the best director is S.S. Rajamouli for the movie Bahubali, The Beginning. So, these are the awards for 2015, and finally, we will move to 2016 awards announced by the AP state government. NTR National Award will be given to Rajinikanth. B.N. Reddy Award to Boyapati Srinivas or Boyapati Srinu. Nagireddy Chakrapani Award to K.S. Ramarao. Then Raghupati Venkayya Award to Chiranjeevi. So, these are 2016 awards, and we will go to the Nandi Awards. For the year 2016, best film is Pelli Choopulu. Best actor is NTR for 2 movies, one is Janta Garage and the other is Nannaku Premato. Then best actress Ritu Varma for the movie Pelli Choopulu, and best director award for the year 2016 is Satish Vegeshna for the movie Shatamanam Bhavati. So, these are the 2014, 15 and 2016 Nandi Awards, as well as some of the other very important film awards which were announced by the Andhra Pradesh state government. So, do not get confused between 2014, 15 and 2016, because all these 3 years awards are announced at the same time. So, read 3-4 times so that you will not get confused among these 3 years.